Hey everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some Jamaican curry chicken. Right, so I have my chicken here that I've already washed, cleaned and cut up into pieces. And this chicken is a little over 3 pounds. Now you don't have to use a whole chicken. You can use whatever part of the chicken you like. So I'm going to start with my dried seasonings first. So here I have my curry powder, of course, and that is 3 tablespoons. So it's basically 1 tablespoon per pound. Now I prefer Indian curry powder. In my opinion, it gives the best flavor as well as color. So this is a particular brand that I like to use. This video is not sponsored by them or anything. I have tried another brand before and I did like it, but I always come back to this one. And here I have a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, dried parsley and black pepper. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt, and that is sea salt. Now this may seem like a lot of salt for some persons, but the seasonings that I'm using are basically salt free. But like I always encourage you to do, salt your food according to your taste. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of my blended green seasoning. And I'll link the video for this in the description box as well as at the top of the screen. Now this has everything like your onion, your garlic. So if you don't know what green seasoning is, it's basically a blend of fresh garlic, onion, scallion, etc. Now, which are fresh herbs that I would add. So rather than going through the hassle of chopping those up, it's much easier for me to just add the green seasoning since I already have it on hand. Now I'm going to also add a teaspoon of fresh ginger that I've already pureed. You can also grate your ginger. Ginger, being a natural flavor enhancer, complements the curry well and elevates the flavor. So I'm going to cover this and leave it in my fridge to marinate overnight. If you don't have the time, you can give it at least an hour. Alright guys, so my chicken has marinated overnight, and to my pot here I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil. For your chicken, if you have marinated it overnight like I did, you want to remove it from the fridge 1 hour or so in order to get the chill from off of it. Once my oil is well hot, my chicken goes in. And I'm going to allow it to sear on medium-high heat for about a minute per side. So I'm going to take about 2 cups of hot water, add it to the pan that I seasoned the chicken in order to get the flavor that has been left behind, and then add it to my pot. And I'm going to throw in some fresh thyme because I love the fragrance that it gives off while the chicken is cooking. And some Scotch Bonnet Pepper, which was in my freezer. And I'm adding this for some extra heat. Optional if you don't like your food too spicy. And I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for a few minutes. So once your chicken has been cooking for a few minutes, you'll notice that the oil will pool to the side. So you want to take your spoon and skim that off. So my chicken has been cooking for 20 minutes and I'm going to add my Irish potato and my carrot. So I don't usually add it at the beginning of cooking the chicken because I like for my vegetables to hold their structure when my chicken is done cooking. After a total of 40 minutes, my chicken is now done. So 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat should give you this delicious curry chicken. And there you have it, delicious and easy Jamaican curry chicken. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can show your appreciation by hitting the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, so you won't miss any of my weekly uploads. We'll be happy to have you as a part of the family while we journey to our first 1,000 subscribers. Tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give this or any of my other recipes a try, and don't forget to follow me as well. Follow me on all my other socials, which are also linked down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.